Manipur machasinggi thona lingzel discipline amadi leibak ningbagi machad asina India gi military gi puwarida top mafam ama kanduna leiri haina Governor Ajay Kumar Balana singthakre Wafam asi Palace Compound leiba MSFDS ki auditorium da ngasi pangthokiba Tara suba Armed Forces Veterans Day gi thoramda mahangna phongdokibani Armed Force gi potakraba veterans singna leibak asigi damak haunaramba sing adu ikai kumna bot poina pangthokiba thoram aduga mari leinana Governor Ajay Kumar Balana hai Aikoi ayambana angang oiringaida uniform da leiba army officer amadi pilot oiningbagi wakalon adumak loinaraki Haujiksu uniform set pa mi ama ubada aikoi da pukning chawkthokpagi wakalon ama fawi isa khaktagi oiba wakalon thadoktuna kathokpa amaga loinana ima leibaki damak thaugal tawbagi wakalon ama makoi da leiriba si haurakliba naha singda yakai hanba yamnamak mathau tai India gi military gi puwarida Manipur macha singi top mafam ama kanduna leiri leibak asigi ngamkhai saphana thambadagi hauraga internal security ningthina thamnaba lamdam asigi macha singna leibak asigi damak thogal tawri state asina singthaningai oiraba lanmi kaya puthokre mayam sing adugi marakta general himalaya somani aikoi gi veteran sing asina kathokpa amaga loinana ileibaki damak thogal tawkibani Thabaktagi pothakraba matung fawbada khunai asigi yaifanaba leptana hotnari makoigi thodang aikoina kaufam thokti haina mahakna makata ki Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goyal na President oiduna pangthoki bathoram aduda Gallantry Award yauna singthaningai oiraba award kaya fangkraba veteran amadi Veer Nari Singh Taram no oktuna ikai kumdaba sotki
Manipur, of course, Chief Secretary has highlighted that consistently demonstrated courage, discipline, and patriotism, holding a special pride in India's military history. The sons and daughters of Manipur have served the nation with exceptional distinction from safeguarding borders to maintaining internal security. The state has produced remarkable number of decorated soldiers, reflecting its deep martial tradition. Just to name one person, General Himalaya is sitting there with us, but all of you have brought name to the state. Our veterans have displayed courage in adversity, discipline in action, and their commitment to be the finest values of service. Even after retirement, they continue to contribute to our society. In recent years, Indian armed forces have demonstrated exemplary professionalism through successful missions and operations aimed at safeguarding national security and maintaining peace and stability. Op Sindhur is the recent one, just for a mention.